Hey there, welcome back to the Young Founders Club. If you're a young entrepreneur or a small business owner looking to level up, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into a topic that could literally transform the way you run your business. That's right, we're talking about using artificial intelligence to automate your business. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to streamline your operations and save both time and money. So, grab a notebook and let's get started. Automation is the secret sauce behind many successful businesses. But here's the catch. A lot of people think automation is complicated or only for big corporations. That couldn't be further from the truth. With AI tools available today, even small business owners and solo entrepreneurs can automate routine tasks and focus on growing their business. In this video, we'll break it down into 3 simple parts. What tasks you can automate with AI. The best AI tools you can use. How to implement these tools step by step. Let's make AI work for you. Part 1. What tasks can you automate with AI? First, let's talk about what tasks are perfect for automation. Here are some of the most common areas where AI can take over. Customer support. Tools like chatbots can handle basic customer queries 24/7. Email marketing. AI can personalize your emails and even determine the best time to send them. Social media management. Automate post scheduling, content creation, and even engagement. Data entry. Say goodbye to manual data entry. iTools can pull information from forms and input it into your systems. Inventory management. AI can predict stock needs based on trends and order history. Scheduling and appointments. AI scheduling tools can sync calendars and book appointments without any back and forth emails. Imagine the time you could save by automating these tasks. That's more time for you to focus on strategy, creativity, and building relationships. Part 2. The best AI tools for automation. Now that you know what to automate, let's talk about the tools to make it happen. Here's a list of some top-notch AI tools you should consider. ChatGPT by OpenAI. Perfect for drafting emails, writing social media captions, and even customer responses. HubSpot. This tool is an all-in-one platform for customer relationship management, CRM, email marketing, and automation. Zapier. Connect different apps to automate workflows without writing a single line of code. Hootsuite or Buffer. These are fantastic for scheduling and managing your social media posts across platforms. Grammarly. Automate proofreading for emails, blog posts, and more to ensure professional communication. Calendly. Automate scheduling meetings and appointments effortlessly. QuickBooks. Use AI to automate accounting and expense tracking. Each of these tools comes with its unique features and integrations, so be sure to choose the ones that align with your business needs. Part 3. How to implement AI tools in your business. Alright, now it's time for the fun part. Putting these tools to work. Here's a step-by-step guide to get started. Identify pain points. Make a list of tasks that eat up most of your time or resources. Choose the right tool. Match the pain points with the tools we just discussed. For example, if customer support is a bottleneck, try setting up a chatbot with tools like ChatGPT or HubSpot. Set up integrations. Use platforms like Zapier to connect your tools and create workflows. For instance, you can connect your email marketing tool to your CRM for seamless data flow. Test the automation. Before fully deploying, test the automation to ensure it's working as expected. Check for glitches or missed opportunities. Train your team. If you have a team, make sure they understand how these tools work and how to use them effectively. Monitor and optimize. Automation isn't set it and forget it. Regularly review the results and tweak as needed to improve efficiency. Conclusion. Why AI automation is a game changer. To wrap things up, automation isn't just about saving time, it's about maximizing impact. By leveraging AI, you can focus on what you do best while letting technology handle the repetitive stuff. Whether you're running a side hustle or scaling a startup, AI tools can be your secret weapon. So why wait? Start exploring these tools today and watch your business transform. If you found this video helpful, Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on growing your business. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for free trials and discounts on the tools we mentioned. Comment below with your favorite AI tool or any questions you have. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.